See, without a microphone like this, you can still record a video that the volume will be high and the background noise will be reduced. Let's go and see how it is done. Follow me.
So just head over to CapCut and open it. Click on new project. Then you select the video of choice. Select that particular video you want to increase the volume and muffle or reduce the background noise. So let me pick this. You add it. So let's add. So right away we are there. The video is already loaded for it to be edited. So what you do, let's just play this video first to see the sound, to hear the sound and the background noise.
Just like you are seeing the text displaying on my screen now.
So good. At least we have listened to the volume to see how it is. Now what you do is to edit this, you just go down here. Let me show you at this bottom. You see this edit. So you click on edit, then you move it, you will see volume. Look at volume here. Click on volume. Click on volume. You cannot increase it. So it's almost half of the volume. So you click it, you move it to the end and play it.
This video will show you.
So you see that the volume has increased. Alright, the volume has increased. Now not only that, you go further to the end, go further, you will see this last one. Reduce, let me move this. Reduce noise. So you click on it, you now move the noise,
This video will show you how to add auto captions.
Good. So the background noise has also been removed. I've muffled the noise. So this is how you increase your volume. If maybe you don't have microphone for your content, you can use this method to increase your volume and also to remove the background noise. So with this method, you can virtually record your video anywhere, even if the place is a very busy place. You can still go ahead with your recording. At the end of the day, you edit it. So let me know if you have tried this method before. If you have, let's hear your comments. And don't forget to follow this account so that you can be getting more similar videos.